Welcome back to another Google edition. Let's talk about it. My people think they happen for this country. And they tell you, for this country, now we dey religious pass. Now we dey to religio. If you say na by religion, if you say na by religion, the country they take better. I swear, na Nigeria go better pass other country. No, I don't know. See, no, I never see country say they pray pass us. I never see any small thing when they happen. They pray. Even if rats they waka for room, we go pray. Even if we see ordinary bird, if bird they cry for pan or midnight, we go they pray. Everywhere we go they pray. Now this issue of insecurity, now we can talk on. For Zaria, you know say that place Boko Haram everything they there. For Zaria yesterday, something happened. How say Boko Haram they happen since they happen valid they kill 247. Those people they pray, they organize prayer section for themselves, and they actually kill 2 ram to stop. They pray to God to stop insecurity so they happen. I know they against the issue of prayer. It's good to they pray, but the thing they talk. But the thing we say, say people when we say we fight against Boko Haram, when we say we fight against bandits, when we say we face kidnappers, when they face, they not the evil spirit too. Boko Haram now God they use so not be evil spirit. Now if you say now evil spirit, we want. They fight against now prayer, they okay. But you won't face someone where they carry AK-47, where they carry bomb, where they carry all this gun, big gun. You won't use prayers, kill them. Make just as they say, and the thing we say, this kind of prayer, now God will help us. And they tell you, we they catch our prayer they answer for this country. And they tell you on this job, we they catch some kidnappers, some Boko Haram, but what's in the happen last? What did they happen? People will say they catch, they just talk say they don't repent. Now tell me, so you want to turn God to another man, right? God will help us catch some Boko Haram, catch some people who say they do us wicked. Some people elsewhere, somewhere, go give those people, what they call them? They give them amnesty, give them this thing to travel abroad. Can't imagine. They will say they recruit some kidnappers, some bandits, some Boko Haram, say they kill us. They will recruit them to Nigerian army. Come on, come tell me how God will answer our prayer again. Come tell me. Now this issue of well, you remember the fight we say happened, the war we say happened between Israel and one country like that. We say they're close to each other. No, we say they use prayer to solve their own though. Then they fight themselves back to back with bomb, with missile. No, we say they use prayer, they fight each other. Now God they use. Now when they use prayer fight. But what I'm not people spirit, we say God will just come down and just help them move. Maybe there are some things we say prayer without work. Na zero. I tell you, na zero. We don't pray to God, say make God help us. God don't hear. Now, what about our make our government say do something, make them tighten all the security we say they happen. Not be by to kill ram, not be to kill ram. I ain't go stop insecurity. Ram no they killing of ram now, no they stop the security. That ram say you kill now, you just kill that for fun. I they tell you, God will hear that prayer. But if we dey pray and our government don't do anything on top of the issue of insecurity, my people, we go ready here. In case you never hear now, Boko Haram now don't learn small. Now I swap. I ain't the kill our soldier now. Can't tell me now. Boko Haram don't learn small. Now I swap. Because like if you talk say Boko Haram and evil spirits, all these 6 years, we say don't they rain, we go don't kill them finish soon. Our prayer we don't kill them. If you know people, we know how people they pray. But make we act. Make our government act on it. Not be saying that as they pray. Not as they pray. For one state like that, for a few states also, the wife of governor even organized prayer against insecurity. I don't know when insecurity, Boko Haram, kidnapper don't turn to evil spirits. People say they use prayer tackle. Now to face them with gun, that's the only language they understand. If you use gun to face gun, don't say you use prayer to face gun. Make I don't talk too much, make I just move on to my line. See you. Thank you.